Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp landing pages. We'll dive right into understanding these powerful tools. A landing page is a focused web page, separate from your main website, crafted to achieve a specific marketing objective, like collecting email addresses or promoting a product. Mailchimp provides an incredibly user-friendly platform, allowing you to design and launch these pages with remarkable ease, integrating them smoothly with your existing marketing efforts. Now, let's get hands-on and build your first page. From your Mailchimp dashboard, simply click on Campaigns and then select Landing Page to begin. You'll find a selection of professionally designed templates, or you can opt for a blank canvas to unleash your creativity. Drag and drop content blocks, upload compelling images, and craft a clear, concise call to action button to guide your visitors. Before going live, it's crucial to optimize your page for maximum impact. Always preview your design to ensure it looks fantastic and functions perfectly on both desktop and mobile devices. Don't forget to add a clear page title and a concise meta description. These are vital for search engine visibility. Once everything is polished, hit that Publish button and share your unique landing page URL across all your marketing channels. Finally, understanding your page's performance is key to continuous improvement. Mailchimp provides a robust analytics dashboard where you can track essential metrics such as page views, click-through rates, and, most importantly, your conversion rate. By regularly reviewing this data, you can gain valuable insights into what's working well and identify areas for refinement, helping you achieve even better results with your next landing page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.